right, it's Sunday. Good morning. It's probably one of our last week here in America, trying to enjoy it. So we're gonna go on a little adventure today. I've got something massive that we're picking up at the Apple store later today, but for now, I'm sorry if I look kind of derpy with this helmet on, but you gotta get safety on first with these crazy bikes. Anyways, weather is looking beautiful here. Look how beautiful the weather is today.
Take me to the ruins.
You know what a sunny day calls for? Lemonade.
Ferns uncurling. Every living thing. Beating me.
Hey, so we're currently at Corona del Mar and we're going to Laguna Beach and a bunch of beautiful beaches here in California, and we're gonna be riding the Aventon 2. Can't wait to tell you all about it. It's a smart bike, and what I like about it, and when Aventon was like, hey, you wanna bring this bike to your audience, what I liked about it is that it doesn't, I've got an electric bike back at home, and that bike is great for the city. This bike is great for the city, it's great for roads, but most importantly, it's great for off-road. So it's just built for adventure. So it's just built for this channel. In Hawaii I showed you my dream car, but I think I just might have found my other dream car. Look at this. Look at that. So you've got 4 assists, you've got off, you've got eco, you've got tour, sport, and turbo. And turbo can get up to 28 miles per hour. And if you don't know how much that is in kilometers, there is right there. But it gets very, very fast. So if you're going uphill, you're going uphill pretty fast. See, check out this hill. This is a pretty steep hill. Look how easy I'm going. It's like nothing. I always talk about the Apple Watch because I'm obsessed with the Apple Watch, and it's little things like this, like whenever I go biking, that I've got like my maps directions to know where I'm going. It's just so useful, and it actually taps you when it's time to turn left or turn right. Anyways, we made it to Laguna Beach, which is absolutely beautiful.
All at once I can see it put back together. You could call it.
And I know you guys love smart home stuff, so look at this. There's the actual Aventon app. And actually, I can actually turn on the lights and off directly from my phone, which is pretty cool. But other than that, it also tells you the cycling time. So everything that the display tells you on the bike, it also tells you on the phone, which is pretty cool. So you get notified on your watch or on your iPhone when the battery is running low, which is pretty useful. For me, as weird as this sounds, whenever I'm buying new headphones or whenever I'm buying a bike or a jacket, for me, the first thing is always aesthetic. It's not the second thing. And I mean, if we take a look at the bike, just look how beautiful they actually are. And the materials of it are actually super, super sick. Like, they just feel like, they're pretty classy. So Yama just texted me, which is my manager, which, by the way, I'm super excited for you to meet. I can't believe you've never actually met him. He just told me his Apple Store pickup is ready to be picked up. So we're gonna go there in just a second, but I might actually pick up something at the Apple Store as well, something that I've been wanting for quite some time. And for those of you who are curious on the battery life, on the range, so it gets up to 60 miles of range, which if you convert that, that's around like 96, 95 kilometers. So that's quite the battery. You can definitely do very long trips and very long adventures with it. It's seriously absurd how many Teslas there are in America, especially in California. Like, it's not even funny anymore. Before, it was something special for me to see a Tesla. Now it's like I've seen them so much now. While I'm talking, there's another one. And another one. Here's a sign that you actually need to pedal if you want to. I mean, she got a workout. Look at her. Resting a little bit. If America has one thing that's amazing, is free water everywhere. I mean, come on. I think this should be a standard worldwide. Free water all day. right, we made it to the Irvine Spectrum, which is where the Apple store is. I gotta grab some lunch. Chenia just, you know, stayed at home because we're pretty exhausted about today. But I do have energy to pick up that at the Apple store. Let's find somewhere to eat. I'm eating by myself. I mean, I'm eating with you. So thank you for being there for me.
It's been hard in America. It's been tough. Even saying it's been hard in America.
Okay, I'm so hungry right now. So I haven't really updated you on how I'm really feeling here in the States or everything. It's been like almost 3 months since we've been here. And we're honestly like, we're happy. We're really happy that we're here and we're grateful and all of that. And we've had a lot of fun. But our energy is so low and we are pretty homesick. I miss home. I miss just making regular YouTube videos and at home, right? I miss my dog. I miss my family. It's not easy. It's not easy being away from home for so long. But yeah, I mean, I don't want to sound sad or anything because I am really happy. It's just our energy. We've traveled so much. We've done so many adventures that it's like we're just tired.
But all we had was precious time.
Alright, so Yama's already at the Apple store. He just texted me that, you know, just to meet him there. I'll tell you what he's getting. Well, he will tell you in just a second. I want to get an AirTag because look, I got this. So like, I had a problem before. This is my wallet. It's an extra wallet. I love it. It's super thin. But an AirTag doesn't fit on it. So this is what I got. Look, got like this little thing. It's pretty cool because it's super thin. So since it's so thin, I can just put it here. So now I have a thin wallet that is Find My, that is AirTag friendly. So I just need an AirTag. Look at that sexy dude.
Let's move here. I don't want to get you sick.
All right, so meet Yama.
Hey guys.
He's kind of feeling sick today.
A little bit.
But he is, I haven't told him what you're getting.
Is it a
you know,
surprise?
yeah, well, we'll go in now, but Yama's, you know, a big deal, right? He's got a really sick desk, whatever, but he's using this horrible monitor that's ugly. You gotta plug it in with HDMI, then with a USB-C adapter. I mean, this guy's horrible, right? So I convinced him. I mean, it didn't take me long. You're getting, what are you getting?
I'm getting an iMac.
A blue iMac.
Yep.
So I'm excited, and we're gonna be unboxing it right now. So it's Apple Store time, baby. Oh, thank you, sir.
What a good day to get paid today. What in no way I made the way.
All right, the Apple Store employee watches my videos, which is amazing. How long have you been watching them?
I remember when I saw you go to Apple Park for the keynote. That's when I started watching.
Good.
Yeah.
That was my dream come true.
Dude, that was crazy. That was awesome.
Timmy, that selfie with Timmy was amazing. Why didn't you get the yellow one though? I'm kind of upset at you.
I thought about doing it just for you.
No, but the blue will look better.
I don't like it.
These are all of the new iPhone cases for the spring lineup. I really like this yellow. It's really cool. This green's also really nice. This is what I'm rocking on right now. You have the wallet?
Oh,
It's nice.
it's really nice.
Yeah. Oh wait, I have to buy an AirTag. Yeah, I wanted to buy one today. Have you ever seen this as well? It's a battery pack, and it just snaps on the back of your phone.
Oh, that's cool.
Fly as a young R&B, my feature price like a law degree. I make real and turn foes into fans, turn works to a good.
All right, they got my AirTag. We'll unbox the iMac. We're actually setting it up in his studio right now. So, yeah. Goodbye, Apple Store. It was good meeting. Do you know what his name was? Well, it was good meeting you. You know who you are. You want to know a fun fact about this iMac box? It's actually pretty heavy, but the iMac's not heavy at all. So they designed it for a way that whenever you unbox it, the unboxing experience on you actually lifting that iMac, which is super lightweight, feels even more light. Yeah,
That's pretty cool.
yeah. It's Apple, man.
Ball on the Yeah. I'm trying to get a new S4, keep it low key, swift. I gotta move.
I was saying today how it's not special for me to see Teslas anymore. Like there's so many here.
Oh my gosh.
It's like if they're giving them for free.
My neighborhood is like filled with them. I don't think anyone doesn't have one.
If you can't match the pace of work, won't take it.
That's pretty good, right?
Massive, yeah.
Yeah, I have Spotify. No Apple Music, sorry.
That's the next thing I gotta convince you about. All right, we're gonna do a launch. Massive acceleration on the Tesla.
No favors. So when I get on, it's a mountain of stun I gotta do. Every point like cricket,
My glasses are falling.
Pointed his head of the state, found out I'm a jewel. I was
fast.
pushing as long as it takes till I got a groove. Can't abandon how the home plate raised you. Keep it cool, cadet, it ain't that major. Feel like Michael Scott, I love this paper so much I can't delay. I got things to say, cause once you made a way, they can't that phase you. You gotta make a way, they can't that phase you. I swear.
Well, ain't no way I made a way.
So Yama works at WeWork. I've been working here for a couple days by the time that I've been in America. I really like WeWork. Like if it was in Barcelona, I think there is actually, I'll have to check, but I just really like the vibe that everybody has. This is his office, and just look at how horrible this is.
I know, come on, don't show
Just look at it's making me cringe so much. Drop test it? Should we like destroy it? Oh wow, that's satisfying. Got this out of Amazon, by the way. I'll link it down below for any of you who want one.
All this love's killing me. Baby Jesus, talk to me. Full of smoking.
Dude, your office now looks so much better.
Looks so much better with this in here.
I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. Faith on love. Faith on love.
I want to go inside of TJ Maxx because I saw this tweet yesterday where somebody actually found a bunch of official Apple Watch bands. So I want to see if they have some. So it's not looking like they have any. They're all like third party. That sucks. Anyways, I wasn't lucky. There were no official Apple Watch bands. They were all like, you know, third party replicas. But if you're from America, do check your local TJ Maxx because you might be lucky and you might find a bunch of official Apple Watch bands. I also saw this TikTok, this one right here, where somebody actually found official Lacoste Apple Watch bands. That's luck. But what a beautiful day. Today was fun. And by the way, if you guys are interested in the Aventon 2, it's actually available in 4 colors, in camouflage, in slate, in cobalt, and in midnight. But honestly, this one's my favorite color. So if you guys are interested in this guy, links are down below in the description. What a beautiful sunset right now.